All right, we'll take a look at the lung model now. If you look up top, this area is going to represent your larynx. You'll see the hyoid bone, the thyrohyoid ligament, thyroid cartilage, cricothyroid ligament, cricoid cartilage. Inferior to the cricoid cartilage, you'll see the trachea. And within the trachea, you'll see the individual tracheal rings. These would be tracheal rings. If you look at the superior margin of the model, here is the epiglottis. You can see more structures associated with the larynx, but we'll take a look at those on the individual larynx model. Next, the lungs. You have the left lung and also the right lung. The top margin of each lung is referred to as the apex. So this is the apex of the left lung, apex of the right lung. The inferior aspect of the model here, the muscle that you see, this is the diaphragm. And the area of the lung closest to the diaphragm, the bottom if you will be the base of the lung, base. Each lung is separated into various lobes. The right lung has 3 lobes. You'll have the superior lobe, which is separated by the horizontal fissure. This is the horizontal fissure. This is the middle lobe of the right lung. And then if you look on the side here, you'll see that you have an oblique fissure coming down like so. This oblique fissure separates the bottom half of the right lung into the middle lobe, and behind the oblique fissure here would be the inferior lobe of the right lung. The left lung only has 2 lobes. You've got the superior lobe, which would be above the oblique fissure. So there's the oblique fissure of the left lung. And then we'd have the inferior lobe of the left lung. Once again, superior lobe of left lung, oblique fissure of left lung, inferior lobe of left lung. If we come to the opposite side, we'd have superior lobe of the right lung, horizontal fissure of the right lung, middle lobe of the right lung, oblique fissure of the right lung, inferior lobe of the right lung.